In this video, we are going to discuss some important rules related to arithmetic operation. In our previous videos, we have discussed how arithmetic operator works on integer variables. That means number which do not have a decimal. But in this video, we are going to discuss how arithmetic operator works on float numbers or numbers with decimal. So for this purpose, I have created two variables of float type, float A and B, and I have written a printf statement for the user that enter two numbers. And by scanf, I have taken two numbers from the user. You can take the values one by one, or you can take the two values in the same scanf also. This is also possible. You can take multiple values in a single scanf function. And in the next line, I have I have written a line, printf line, that sum of %f and %f is equal to %f. And in the next argument, I have written a, b, and a plus b. So this is new thing for many students, many of you, that why this kind of statement is used. So as we know that printf is used for two purposes: to print a string and to print the value of variables. So this %f is a format specifier for the variables. So for which variable? For this variable. And this %f is format specifier of this variable, and this %f is format specifier of this expression. So this format specifier will be replaced by the respective values of the variable which we are providing. So if I give values as 3.5 and 4.7, so I will get sum of 3.5 and 4.7 is equal to whatever answer is there. So this is how uh, we modify our printf statement to look more understandable. In the second line, I have written one more expression, that difference of %f and %f is equal to %f. And first %f will be replaced by a, the second will be replaced by b, and third will be a minus b. In the same manner, I have put two more printf statement to print a multiply b, that means product of two numbers, and in the next division of two numbers, sorry. In the next line, I have written printf statement for determining remainder of two float numbers. But I have comment out this for a while. This is called commenting a statement. Whenever we put any statement in slash star and star slash, in that case that statement will be comment out. That means compiler will not do anything with that statement, or compiler will think that there is no statement written here. It is written for understanding of programmers only. So let us build and run this program and see what will be the output. So let us give two values as 3.5 and 4.7, two float values, and in the answer I am getting sum of 3.5 and 4.7 is equal to 8.2. The difference of two numbers is minus 1.2. The product is 16.44, and the division is 0.744681. So in all our previous example, we have seen that whenever we divide two numbers of integer type, we get answer in integer type. But now it is clear that whenever we divide two float numbers, we get answer in the form of a float number or a decimal number. So whenever we divide two float numbers, we get answer in float format. Or we can say that whenever we divide two numbers out of which one of them is a float type, then also we'll get the answer in float format. That means if I am dividing 3 by 4.6, then answer which I get will be of float type, because if any of the value is of float type, then answer will be of float type. This thing should be clear to you, and this is, you can say, this is a type of rule in programming in C language only. because it may changes with changing of programming language. In Python it is not the case. In Python we get the same answer as we get in normal mathematics when we divide two numbers. So this is how the four arithmetic operator works. One more thing which I want to tell you is why I have comment out the modulo operator. So if I comment out this I'm commenting out this, and let us now build and run this program. So I'm getting an error here. So why is that error coming? Because on float numbers the modulo operator will not work. That means modulo operator can only work with integer numbers. Whenever we have integer number, we want to find the remainder of integer, then only remainder operator or modulo operator can be used. It cannot be used with float number. So this is the rule which I want to discuss with you, that modulo operator can only work with integer number. So a question may arise in your mind that if we have one integer and one float value, then will it work or not? So let us try to find out will it work or not. Let's comment out the other things and let us create one more variable of integer type. Let's say int b. So a is of integer type, a is of float type and b is of integer type. So for b I will change the format specified to b, sorry, for %d, sorry. And let us now try to find out. Here also I have to change it %d. %d is equal to %f. Let us see what will be the output. So I'm getting an error here. Remainder of %f and %d is equal to, let us try to apply %d here and let us see what will be the output. Another time we are getting the same error. That this indicates that the float numbers, if any of the number in a and b is of float type, then the modulo operator will not work. And if I change both of them to be of integer type, that means I will remove the integer and here I add a. That means now a and b are of both of are of same type, and I change %d and I run this program. So as you can see that it is successfully running and it provides two numbers 6 and 7. So what will be the output? 6 should be the output. So we are getting reminder of, so we are getting an error here. So why is that happening? Let us check. Because in scanf we haven't changed the format specifier, so it should be %d. So I'm doing all this stuff to I'm not editing all this stuff to show you that how error can occur in your program and how can you check and fix that error also. So this is also a part, that if error is coming, then how you can fix that error. It is also a very important thing to note. And if I provide the numbers 6 and 7 here, so answer should be 6. So remainder of 6 and 7 is equal to 6. So I think now the things will be more clear to you, that how arithmetic operator works on integers, on float also. So this is it for now. Thank you for watching.